Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the CrowdStrike blue screen error message that you might be receiving on your Windows computer. And the error message reads, your device ran into a problem and needs to restart. We're just collecting some error info and then we'll restart for you. Kung ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng CrowdStrike? So, this is a cybersecurity firm that equips organizations via Falcon and other platforms, prevent breaches, attacks, and fixes vulnerabilities. Okay, so kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So, all you have to do is to use a registry editor to block CS agent service. Kung paano ba natin yan gawin? So, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung registry editor. And then kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa registry editor, so ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung HK local machines. So double click ka lang. And then dito sa HK local machines, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung system. So double click ulit. And then dito sa system, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung current control set. So double click ulit. And then dito sa current control set, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung services. Okay, ito siya. So double click ulit dito. And then dito sa services, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung CS agent. So scroll down lang tayo at hanapin natin yung CS agent. Alright? And then ito na siya. Okay? So kapag nakita mo na tong CS agent, so click mo na siya. And then dito sa right side ay kailangan mo na hanapin dito yung start. Okay? So once nakita mo na dito yung start, so kailangan mo lang i-double click yan. And then pop up itong edit viewer 32-bit value. So dito sa edit viewer 32-bit value, so i-check mo lang yung value name na dapat start. And then dito sa value data ay kailangan na natin itong i-change. So kung ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng value data 1? So value data 1, which means the service is set to start automatically. Okay, so itong value number 1 ay i-change lang natin ito value number 4. Na ibig sabihin, which means disable the service. Okay? So once na-change mo na yung number 1 into 4, dito lang sa base ay select mo lang dito yung hexadecimal and then click mo lang dito yung OK. So after dito ay kailangan lang natin mag-restart. So cross natin itong registry and then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so ganoon na po kasimple on how to fix CrowdStrike blue screen update CS agent, that's SYS blue screen error. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.